Hey guys, welcome back. Aku takau lila ya mezeke lonely yaro. Wow, wow, wow. Tege ma wow sure dime ambwe the ye bono amka. Young ma impressive pity bono. I used to get lonely udila jame aradi yaro. Phenomenal. 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 Look alright. It's an adjective which means extraordinary and impressive. Nyamalo solution no amka bono. So let's have a look at some examples. Silent strike in Myanmar was phenomenal. Myanmar silent strike. Tomorrow at then date. The bay mouching the gego ma amakame, the gego ma phenomenal today, no? Visit began. It's such a phenomenal ancient city. Began dwale bare bajang sura dua the gego ma amakan ayango impressive today. And learn with Masu, she can bring phenomenal results in your learning journey. Masu ne atu, jama bono, Masu ne atu, sali laba de satema de tumaga, tinye, lila de kayizin de shauma, phenomenal chide, yalati, the gegoma amakam chide, yala gaunigo, shoot, they sound la biwali made. Okay, I do tomorrow phenomenal so de lonely go lila bitabi I do Nisa Jangley go translate lobio comment name ma yibi to me no sa Jangley ablu le so ro shwe de kong sei di do mya ji ha de Myanmar nangan ye amakan neya taku phit pare de so amakan ko phenomenal လို့သုံးနေเนาะ phenomenal ဆိုတဲ့စကားလုံးကိုသုံးမယ်ဒီစာကြောင်းလေးကိုအောက်မှာရေးပေးခဲ့မယ်เนาะအဲ့တော့ thank you and have a good day bye bye